This is my jungle parang, and this is really the machete that I use in the jungle. It was designed by a jungle tribesman, and this is really the modern version of it. Heavy duty, heavy blade, very good grippy handle, but razor sharp and can use for brush cutting and also use as an axe. And this is something that I'll always take with me when I'm in the jungle. Invaluable tool.
This is the Bear Grylls Survival Belt from Gerber. It's a one-size-fits-all belt made of heavy-duty nylon webbing. The buckle twists off to reveal a small, water-resistant compartment that holds a compact fishing kit. On the underside, there's a mirror to signal for help, and on the reverse, there's a small flathead and Phillips driver in case you find yourself in need of tools. Also, there's a hidden zipper compartment to hold the Bear Grylls Priorities of Survival or matches. This is the Bear Grylls Survival Belt.
Multitools, man, what a minefield. And I've spent years cursing multitools for two reasons. One, they often have features that are pretty useless. And secondly, they always kind of rust up and become really difficult to use. So we've developed what I'm really proud of, what I call the ultimate multi-tool. And it's got 12 features on it, including pliers, scissors, screwdrivers, can openers, blades, you name it. All of the blades are accessible from the outside and they're locking, which means you don't have to open the tool up to access it. They're all there ready to use. And also what I like is that the pliers are spring loaded, so they're not going to get stuck on you. And like all of my range, it comes with the priorities of survival there for when you might need it most.
This is the Bear Grylls Paracord fixed blade knife from Gerber. It comes equipped with a low-profile sheath for lashing to a backpack or for carry on your belt. The clip is removable and adjustable for both tip-down and tip-up carry. It has a full fine-edge blade, full tank construction, and extra ridges on top of the handle for grip. 45 inches of paracord are woven on the handle and can be removed and used in any number of survival situations. This is the Bear Grylls Paracord fixed blade knife.
This is my compact multi-tool, and it's got 8 different tools on it, but it's still pretty tiny. It's also the only compact multi-tool that's got 2 full-size blades on it, 1 on each side. Standard blade, and then serrated blade. All in stainless steel, spring-loaded pliers again, and small enough, put in your pocket, forget about, there for when you need it the most.
This is the Bear Grylls Survival Bracelet from Gerber. It's a bracelet that features 12 feet of braided paracord that can be used in any number of survival emergencies. It comes with a built-in whistle to signal for help when you're stranded out in the wild. Just having this on your wrist could save your life. It's easily adjustable with just one hand, and there's a strap to keep the whistle tucked in tight. This is the Bear Grylls Survival Bracelet.
This is the Bear Grylls Tinderbox. It has a grater-like steel cutting surface for making tinder and a tray underneath to catch the shavings. After shaving wood into the tray, push the button for easy removal of the tinder. Next, empty the dry tinder contents onto the collected items you'll be burning. Never start a fire in the collection tray. If your matches are wet or your fire starter is not handy, use the tinderbox's magnifying glass to ignite the tinder. When finished, place the plastic cover over the cutting surface for safe storage. An emergency signaling mirror is located on the underside, and the Bear Grylls Priorities of Survival Pocket Guide is also included. An innovative lightweight lifesaver. This is the Bear Grylls Tinderbox.
This is the Bear Grylls Intense Torch from Gerber. It's made of a durable anodized aluminum with a rubber overmold to keep it secure in your hands at all times. The bright orange color makes it easy to find at night, and the tri-sided design keeps it from rolling away. It has 4 modes activated with a push button: 140 lumens on high, medium, low, and an SOS mode. With 17 hours of runtime on low, an IPX7 waterproof rating, and a lanyard to keep it close at hand, this is the flashlight you need in the wilderness. This is the Bear Grylls Intense Torch.